Good morning, Scratch Card peeps, friends and family. Welcome to another Scratch Card session with your boy, the Cornish Scratcher, and
the boss, Mrs. C.
She's here. We know you like to hear our voices. Sorry it's been so long, but here we are. We are back doing a Scratch Card session. A hump day Scratch Card session, I suppose, if you call that. It's Wednesday. So what do we got? We got 3 of the hidden treasures cards. 11, 12, and 13. So let's hopefully we can get something on it. Hopefully. It's been sat in the drawer for weeks. I'm not going to go with the odds because you all know the odds on these by now. They are quite old. So let's get scratching and matching. So we have E6. We also have D6, as you can hear the pup walking around. Let's put something on top of that. Drives me mad when cards do that. B2 and E4. Don't want the wiggly squigglies. And we have E4. Just pop more of the key. G7. And A3. For the torch. A7. And D2, which is this part of the spade. A2 and B3. E3.
2.
Oh, good shout, Mrs. C. B6 and F3. D5 and G6. Oh, I need one more for the scroll. F6. More of the wiggly squigglies. And B4. One more for the footprint. E2. Glad of that because we now got it. D4. And we're on to the last few. F5 and E5. F5 and E5, which don't really make much difference. First card's not a winner. Now on to the next one, card 12. Let's get scratching and matching. Come on. Power of positivity. F2. Oh, not a good start. And B2. Start as a key. E3. And A2. F3. Not that we need that one. And B5. E2. And we also have C2. G2. And A6. B6. Being very quiet there, Mrs. C.
Just making sure you're not making any mistakes.
No, I don't make mistakes.
Mm.
D1. I just check to see if you're watching or not.
It's questionable.
E5. At least there's no Mrs. C's on this one.
No.
C3. We want C1 and D2. Yay, we got a winner. We got a bug. G4. And a B3. Now, so we get some more. E1. And a B7. Might be nice to get the key. We also have G3 and A3. So just the one winner. We did get the bug. So what do we get for the bug? 3 squiddly diddlies. Better than a kick in the pants. Better than a kick in the pants is what my nan used to say. So let's get scratching the match. And on to the last card, card 13. Can we get back-to-back winners? So E3 and B7. A5 and F3, B6 and 5. Whoa, one more. F7. No, so this is a full card. G4. F6 and E1. We need E2. G6. Here's the squigglies. A4 and A7. D7, a lot of sevens. And F5. A6. We also have a D6. G5 and G7. We don't want the squigglies. Come on, we need to win. A1 and F4. Well, that was shocking. I thought we at least would have got B4 there. Or even E4.
Never mind.
No,
That was a
£9.
bit of a teaser.
£9 down.
£9 spent.
£9
back.
Yeah.
£6 loss.
Yes, there you are. That's the odds. But that's gambling for you. We all know that. Anyway, guys, you know what to do. If you've missed us, show us the love by smashing that thumbs up button. Subscribe on the screen or down below. Leave us a comment. Even if it's a hello. Anyway, guys, we're going to love you and leave you. If you're around about today, please be safe. Look after yourselves. Put some plenty of suntan lotion on. It is baking hot. If you are scratching today, fingers crossed you get some lovely wins. We will try and see them. I may not comment on all of them, but I do like them. So, yeah. And this is the Cornish Scratcher, Mrs. C, saying, love you lots. Bye for now.